Today is June 18th, which marks 3 whole months in quarantine. So I haven't seen any of my friends in 3 months, and even longer than that because previously I was at school, so it's been about 6 months since I've seen most of my friends here at home. This whole thing has been really like emotionally draining on all of us, and so not having your friends there is really hard for that. And we've been texting and FaceTiming, of course, but you know, nothing beats in person. So I wanted to do a little something for them. Nothing crazy, just felt like doing something special. So I'm gonna bake cookies and then we're gonna go to their houses and do a no contact delivery kind of thing. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along because I haven't done something in the kitchen in a while. So let's get baking. Okay, so the first batch of cookies I'm making is going to be vegan chocolate. These are, yeah, they're just vegan chocolate cookies from lovingitvegan.com. I'm not going to go into detail, but the recipe will be down below. Yeah, I'm really excited. They look really good. I have a vegan friend, that's why I'm doing this for her. She loves chocolate, so I'm excited. So it's about 2 hours later now. I finished my chocolate cookies. For some reason I have it in my head that Queenie and Natalia like snickerdoodles, so that's what I'm gonna make next. Hopefully I'm not just making that up. Hopefully it's like a true thing. You know, do you ever like think of things and you're like, I don't know if that's a fact or if I'm making it up? That's how I feel. Hopefully it's true though, because I'm making snickerdoodles. Okay, sorry if this is crooked, but I'm back with the cookie cookbook that I used in my first baking video. And I'm gonna make these. These are the snickerdoodles. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so I've faced my first issue. I don't have cream of tartar. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. So my hair looks crazy. We're gonna do a little research and see what I can use to replace that. So Google is telling me lemon juice, which I also don't have, or white vinegar, which is really scary to me, but I think I'm gonna do it. Hopefully it's fine. I'm nervous. It's supposed to add like a little bit of like acid, so I'm just hoping the vinegar doesn't taste too strongly. Okay, so I used the vinegar, but I forgot that this ingredient here, baking soda, creates this. Obviously it's not like exploding. I just hope it's okay. I'm nervous. Okay, so my dough is done now. And if you didn't know, this is how you make snickerdoodles. So I have the dough and then I have this cinnamon sugar mixture. And basically you just get a ball of dough and then you roll it in that and then you put it on the sheet. So that's what I'm doing now. So to clear up some space on the trays, I put the cookies on plates so that this is what I'm going to take it to them in. These are Alasia's and these are Zoe's. I'm probably going to cover it with foil, I think, and then for now I'll just label them with stickies as to whose it is. Hi, so it is day 2 of this video now. I am making one more recipe. It is my grandma's chocolate chip cookies, kind of like everything cookies from the 80s. So I'm very excited. They're one of my favorite kinds of cookies. And yeah, these are gonna be for Jackie and also for Natalia, a couple of them. So yeah, I'm really excited and let's get it going. Okay, hi. So it is now Saturday. It is 3:30 p.m. I'm gonna leave in about maybe an half an hour, to go drop off things for my friends. So throughout quarantine, I've been bored, so I've been getting very into like arts and crafts type stuff. So I actually have been creating like cards. So I'm gonna make some more right now. I'm gonna make like these but cut them in half. So they're half the size. Just try a little something for each of my friends, and yeah. So we're gonna go out now and deliver everything. Hopefully I get some cute clips of my friends. So yeah, enjoy.
Wait, I just realized if you open it, will it hit it?
I hope not. I think I'm good. Is it fragile?
No.
So that is all I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry my makeup is a little messy, but may or may not have cried. It's fine. Anyways, just stay safe, check up on your friends, and yeah, that's all I've got for you. I'll see you soon.